say your name again.
Hi, my name is Crystal. I'm back.
Team Crystal. Crystal is back.
Do you miss me?
They always say they love you.
And you love me.
Yeah. And Marianne, say hi.
Hi.
Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. In today's video, we are going to share a chicken recipe. As you can see, I have officially become a butcher. I was told I have to prepare this chicken from scratch. So here we are slicing the chicken into pieces. They're quite a number, but you know what? I'm going to do this. So it is a tradition for us to have Christmas together as the larger family. So here you can only see a few people, but in the background there are so many other people doing different things and of course preparing for the day. So I'm hoping that you had a very Merry Christmas and you really enjoyed the holidays and you're ready for the new year. Being that this is our very first video for 2023, I would like to take this opportunity to wish you a prosperous 2023 full of God's blessings. I hope you will continue supporting us, and I am praying that before long we're going to hit the 1000 mark, and even maybe this is our year to get even to more subscribers. So continue supporting us. We really appreciate, and as always, let us have your feedback as to the different videos you would like to watch on this channel. At this point, I was done slicing and I had prepared my marinade, as you can see. So now I'm just adding it to the mixture. If you would like to check out how we marinate our chicken, we have a video which I'm going to link down below. And of course, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and join the Just family. After the marinade, I placed it in the fridge covered with foil for like 1 hour and we were ready to cook. So at this point, knowing that there are so many people and very few big pots, I needed to figure out how to get one. And here I am creating space or emptying one. And of course, after some minutes, we are ready to cook. To the hot oil, and this is going to be a very simple recipe and something you can quickly do at home. Okay, and then we are going to add garlic. For health purposes, we are not going to add ginger for this recipe. How do you like your chicken? Grilled, roasted, or fried? Comment down below. Yes, of course, at this point, the onions and the garlic was ready and we are ready to add the chicken into the pot and cook. For this recipe, we did not pre-cook. So we're going to cook everything here. We're going to cook to the end at this point. As you can see, the marinade was evenly distributed. I really loved the way it turned out despite the short time that I had to marinate. I usually prefer to do not less than 3 hours, if not overnight. But well, I was happy with the outcome for this particular one. This is how it looks at close range. That is why I was telling you the marinade turned out amazing. If you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, kindly consider joining the Just family. As you can see, we make amazing recipes and so much more. We also do restaurant reviews, food reviews, family fun games, including challenges and competition, and also home making. If this is your kind of content, kindly subscribe. At this point, we are going to add plain yogurt. As you can see, it's going to give a very good curry. If you have never tried milk or yogurt in your chicken, this could be an amazing recipe you can try. Okay, so let's hear from Daniela, who enjoyed the meal. How was it, Daniela?
It was very delicious.
Nice. So would you like some more? Oh, great. Once again, thank you so much for watching this far. If this is your kind of content, remember to like, comment, share, and of course ensure the notification bell is on so that you don't miss any of our videos. We appreciate your continued support and we also value your feedback. So let us know the kind of content you want us to share. Thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, this is our final product and it was delicious, as Daniela has said. It is not from me who prepared it, but from someone who enjoyed it. And of course, I did enjoy, together with the other meals that were prepared. If you would like simple and fast recipes on the go, remember to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Here is another anytime sausage recipe. So the first step is to peel off the coating of the sausages, as you can see, and this recipe was courtesy of Kathy. Yep. If you're still watching this far, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate and value you, and we also value your feedback. So let us know the kind of content you want us to share on this channel. So we are now on step 2, and as you can see, we have breadcrumbs and some eggs. We are still cooking, so just ignore the other things on the counter. Of course, she had to beat the eggs, and you can always add any seasoning, or you can just add some salt. It will be sufficient. You can now start the process of preparing, and the first step is to slice the sausages into small pieces, and you can shape according to your desire. In our case, we just did some simple shaping. Yeah. From the eggs, then you coat with the breadcrumbs, of course, to make it strong and not soggy. Yeah. Then you just deep fry. And this is the final product. I almost forgot to record. On this other side, pilau was loading. So if you'd like the recipe, please comment down below. Then Here we have some jahe, which are coming up. If you're Kenyan, you know it's one of the main recipes, meals. And then here we have beef. And of course, we have to add potatoes. We have to respect our ancestors, what they taught us to be including in our meals. We already have a beef recipe on the channel, so if you're interested, you can check it out. And of course, we have the pilau final product, and there are also some fries. They are loading over there. If you'd like to have some delicious fries, this is an amazing recipe. You dry them, you season before you deep fry. The outcome is always amazing, and you avoid adding salt to cooked food. And of course, what is an African home Christmas without chapatis? I had to stop by. Of course, you can't miss mbuzi in an African home. So we did one choma, and the next one we are doing this. The main professional chef of the family was in charge of this one, and unfortunately I forgot to record the final product. Or did I forget? Or it was done, it was feasted on before I could record. I think it was feasted on. So after loading it up with all that, it's going to be stitched and then cooked. Yeah. Maybe at some point we are going to share the full recipe. Keep it here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly don't forget to subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We really appreciate, and we also look forward to your feedback as to the kind of content to share in the year 2023. And once again, we wish you the very best in this new year. May it be productive, may it be successful, and everything good that you have been desiring to achieve. See you on our next one. Bye.